True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah man, they are St. Elizabeth. It's one place where everybody always come, want to see. This is Lovers Leap. I'm going to tell you, see the place damage. Yeah man, so just get a quick view and see how I go on at the place. Most of this on the side. Can't really go over up on the premises, but can see where a section of the roof is off. Like the lighthouse is still standing. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. So my location is in St. Elizabeth. I'm in the Southfield area. I'm gonna give you a tour in the Lovers Leap area. So anybody from Lovers Leap who wants to see what take place after the hurricane hit St. Elizabeth, Jamaica also. Yeah man, so take a view of this area with your tour guide Fire Reid. If you learn something about this beautiful island Jamaica, you can leave in the comment section. Also leave where you're watching from. Yeah man, big up on yourself, one love and one happy people. Big up on yourself. So this is what you will see in St. Elizabeth area. A lot of places get damaged, but as far as I can see, a lot of main road up, back and running. People can travel to them destination. But please, I'm asking you kindly to take your time on the road because a lot of trees falling down in the road. So please be careful. So everybody know that bus stop here, right? Everybody know. So I go down in a Lovers Leap. Big up yourself, yellow. Big up yourself, yellow. Big up yourself, man, all the time. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Take a tour in the area. Beautiful area. A lot of people always want to live in this area. So I take a view. So big up yourself, yellow, anywhere you're there. Big up yourself, Hopeton. Yeah man, one love and one heart. I see we have a lot of wind. It's very windy today. See, you have zinc in the road, so you can know that somebody lose them roof. Yes, my people, you can like up the video free of cost, like up the video. A lot of plantain tree, banana tree. So you know, look a bit after this Jamaica have no farm of grown proud oak and them thing there. A lot of, you know, we know the bread basket. Yeah man, the bread basket. Yeah man. Now the house on your right, the roof gone. A lot of damage. St. Elizabeth people. You know, so you have to be strong and help out each other. Not an easy road at the moment. A lot of devastation. Yeah, man. It not pretty, me people. It not pretty, it not pretty, it not pretty. So that is Lover's Leap over there. You know, so when the wind not come them side, you know, so it's a heavy wind See a lot of roofs over that side come off. Lovers Leap, you see that piece they kind of tear down from where I'm at. Yeah, man. See few power lines down. Yes, my people, so thanks for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. What a beautiful house on the hill. Very, very nice house.